OMG, it's Thursday again. That means today we are going to post a delicious healthy soup recipe on our Twisted Flavors channel. So every Thursday there will be a soup recipe on my channel. Don't forget to come and check it out. Hello, what's up people? Welcome back to Twisted Flavors. Today we will see how to make perfect restaurant type hot and sour soup. Before jumping into the recipe, give this video a big thumbs up and go subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Let's get started. First, take a saucepan and add 1 teaspoon of butter. It can be unsalted or salted. Here I am taking salted butter. Once it's melted, add the vegetables. Here I am using carrot, French beans, cabbage, capsicum. Don't forget to watch the video till the end, and also don't forget to try and let me know your thoughts after trying the soup in the comment section below. Soup is not only healthy but it is also easy to make at home. It just took me around 5 to 6 minutes to make. Cook them for 30 seconds. If anyone is trying to lose weight, then I would say you can take these kind of vegetable soups. It not only has less calories but it doesn't have lots of starch or carbs. So try avoiding taking these potato soups and French onion soups. Vegetable soups are the best. Now add 2 chopped garlic, about 1 inch thinly sliced ginger, and mix them thoroughly. And the last vegetable will be half-boiled cauliflower. It's like boiled for 5 minutes but not more than that, and we'll mix everything together again. Add some salt to taste. And add 2 drops of soy sauce and 1.5 glass of water into it. You can use even a cup if you don't want to use a glass. Now add half teaspoon of white vinegar or cooking vinegar into it. Mix them and cook for 2 minutes. After cooking the soup for 2 minutes, we'll add the corn flour paste into it. Here I have taken 1 tablespoon corn flour and made it into a paste. Corn flour paste usually thickens the soup. So to thicken our soup, we have added the corn flour soup. If you want it to be little liquidy or just the liquid part, you can avoid the corn flour paste. Now cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes. So that we will get our desired consistency for the soup. After that you can. For me it took around 4 minutes. So in total to prepare the soup it takes around 5 to 8 minutes time based on the quantity. So now I like the consistency of the soup, so I am turning off the stove. And finally I am garnishing it with some spring onions. If you don't have any spring onions, you can avoid it and use some coriander or parsley on top of it. And that's it. Serve it hot and have it hot. It's very healthy as we have added lots of vegetables. So don't forget to try this recipe and comment your thoughts below. So like, share, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Every Thursday you will see a new soup recipe on my channel. Don't forget to visit my channel and subscribe to it. By the way, nutritional value will be in the description below. Bye bye.